Right, ladies and gents. So let's go over the basics quickly. So let me explain market structure quickly. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with it, but just for my strategy purposes, I'm gonna explain market structure. So once I explain my strategy, you guys knows what I'm talking about. So in an uptrend, we get higher highs and higher lows. In a downtrend, we get lower highs and lower lows. So in an uptrend, we expect our higher highs to be broken every time. And in a downtrend, we expect our lower lows to be broken every time. So when does the market change? So in an uptrend, our latest higher low, if the market breaks below our latest higher low and create a lower low, that's when the market is changing. And in a downtrend, when the market is creating a higher high, higher than our previous high. So if the market is creating higher highs in a downtrend, that's when we know the market is changing. So here I have example of that, but let's look at the break of structures first. So we can see whenever the market is breaking a high in an uptrend, whenever the market is breaking a high like that example there, we expect the market to create a higher high when it's breaking above our previous high, and once it created that higher high, we expect the market to come back to retest our previous highs in order for it to make higher highs. So that's where the break of structure comes in. So our highs and lows are only valid when the market is breaking structure. Like in this situation, this was our high. This is the break of structure because right there the market was breaking above our high, creating a new high there. So that's that's the only valid high if the market breaks above our previous high. So then we can mark that high as a valid high. So if that high comes back to retest our previous high, on that retest, before it went up again, that retest will give us a higher low. So once that higher lows, as you can see, our higher lows, they will always be in line with our higher highs, our previous higher highs. So if the market give us a higher low that is in line approximately on the same level as our previous highs, so then we know that higher low is valid. Downtrend, same stage. So in a downtrend, this is our low, our lower low. So there is our break of structure. So which means right there the market break below our lower low. So once the market break below our lower low, so only then can we expect lower lows. And that lower low, it will it will come with a retracement back to our previous lower low, and once it retraces back to our previous lower low, it will create a lower high there. So that is how we identify our lower lows and lower highs. So when does the market change structure? In a situation like this, we see, okay, right there the market gave us a higher high and a break of structure because it created a new higher high. But that new higher high, it didn't give us a higher low. Instead, it came back down, it break below our higher low and give us a new lower low. So that's where we know structure is changing. So in this situation here, it would have been the same thing if this higher high was breaking around there below this higher low and it was giving us a lower low there. That's when we know, okay, the trend is changing. We can expect a change of structure. So that's how we know our change of structure and when the market is still gonna continue. So here, as we can see, the moment the market breaks below our higher low and create a new lower low, that's the moment the market also give us a new lower high and not a higher high anymore. So that is how market structure works. So all the markets they work like this. And my strategy, my whole strategy is based on market structure.